are the red birds, starting with a scarlet tan. Oh, Chuff!
Oh.
That's a nice bird. What bugs did you catch? Scarnums.
Here's the northern cardinal.
Wow, wow, wow. Another nice red bird. The kite-eared.
It's my favorite bird. Here's the pine grosbeak.
He has another beauty. Wow, wow, wow.
The white-winged crossbill, the red crossbill, the house finch.
Oh, house.
A real cutie.
Wow, wow, wow.
The purple finch.
Looks like the house finch. Purple finch.
Can you include us too? Because we have some red too. Red-winged blackbird, common red poll.
The red Paul. Lots of them.
Red-headed woodpecker.
They're up-belated.
Really loves walnuts and bugs too.
Rose-breasted grosbeak. I like this one too.
We like bugs too. We love to fight. Red-bellied woodpecker. Pileated woodpecker.
That's a big one.
Pileated. We love fruit too. Yellow-bellied sapsucker.
Here's the northern flicker.
The tiny ruby-throated hummingbird.